How to fix Snapchat chat glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat chat glitch on Android phone. First open settings and then click apps and then apps again, and now just type here Snapchat and then click on it, and here first click force stop and then go to storage clear cache, and after that you go to this one here permissions and allow all of those permissions here. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and then close all the applications in the background and disable power saving mode here. And if that also doesn't fix your problems, now it means that you need to update your Snapchat. Type here Snapchat, then just click update, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.